Seventh question. The present ages of Vatsala and Sarah are 14 years and 10 years respectively. After how many years will the ratio of their ages become 5:4? The present ages of both these girls, Vatsala and Sarah, are given. One is 14 years, the other is 10 years. They have asked after how many years. Okay, so we are not sure of how many years, so that we have to consider as x. After how many years will the ratio of their ages become 5:4? So first we consider that the x, let the number of years after which the ratio of their ages become 5:4 be x years. Now, after x years, what will be Vatsala's age? Now they said Vatsala's age is 14 years. So, after x years, if your age is 14 years today, after 2 years, your age will be 14 plus 2, that is 16 years. So, same way, if Vatsala's age today is 14 years, after x years, her age will be 14 plus x years. Same way with Sarah's age. Her age today is 10 years. After x years, her age will be 10 plus x years. Now, if we talk about the ratio of their ages after x years, it will be 14 plus x upon 10 plus x. But already they have given the ratio is 5:4. So what we can write now the condition? Just now we said when we talk about the ratio of the ages, we can write it as 14 plus x upon 10 plus x. But they have given the ratio of the ages after x years is 5:4. So we can write here 5 upon 4. How do we simplify this further? By cross multiplying. That is 4 bracket 14 plus x is equal to 5 bracket 10 plus x. Now we multiply 4 into 14, that is 56 plus 4 into x, that is 4x, 5 into 10, that is 50, plus 5 into x, that is 5x. Now further, we have here 56 and 50 here, so we can bring 50 this side because here the x coefficient is greater than this. So we take x this side and we take the constant on this side, that is the constant is greater on this side, so we keep the constants on this side. 56 minus 50 is equal to, the x coefficient is greater here, that is 5 is greater than 4, so we bring 4x on the other side. So 5x minus 4x. 56 minus 50 is 6. So 6 equal to x, or x equal to 6. Now, what is the question here? After, they have asked here, after how many years will the ratio of the ages become 5:4? And we had considered that as x, the number of years after which the ratio of the ages become 5:4. Therefore, the number of years after which the ratio of the ages become 5:4 is equal to x is equal to 6 years.